Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a blog post using Copy.ai. So step 1, you have to log into Copy.ai. You have to go to www.copy.ai.com, sign in to create a free account. So you can tap also log in, and then here you will see the option sign up. So if you don't have an account yet, then basically you can create an account using your Gmail password or just connect to your Google account. So since I have my account already, it takes me to my workspace. So this is the Copy AI dashboard. And in order for us to start to our basic or main tutorial or focus, what you're going to do here is you have to tap on this create new, and then you have to look for the chat option. So tap on chat right here on the left menu, and this is your built-in AI writing assistant for fast, conversational, and highly flexible. Okay, so step 3, you have to give a clear prompt for your blog post. So this is what it looks like. Aside from that, you can also try this real-time search. Copy AI can summarize the latest news on generative AI. Also can give you long-form content like this one. Create a blog post about search engine optimization. Also brainstorm ideas like generate 10 Instagram captions for Fashion Week. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a prompt. So you can tap this one, or you can just go to ask or search anything right here on this empty box. Now I'm going to type write a blog post titled 10 benefits of journaling every day. Also, you can be very specific, like you can add make it informative, friendly, and around 800, or you can try 1000 words if you want. After that, press enter. Now here's the result. 10 benefits of journaling every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's just say you are not satisfied with the result, or you're just a little bit satisfied with the result. You can also add target audience. You can add tone if you want. You can also add format. For example, for target audience, you can set this as beginners. And then for tone, you can set this as motivational, let's just say. So you can just basically delete this. And then for format, let's just say how to, and then press enter. Now you can now refine, and you can now edit everything here. So I will not be pressing this enter because I only have 2000 words. If you're using the basic version, you only have 2000 words. And if you want to upgrade, just upgrade your plan to use more words. And as you can see, I have only a few words left here. So once you have added in another prompt right here, then basically you can refine the post with follow-up prompts. For example, add introduction that grabs attention. For example, write a conclusion with a call to action. Make this sound more conversational, or break this into subheadings and bullet form. Let's just say we pick this one right here. After that, you tap on enter and wait for a couple of seconds. So review and make final edits. Copy the content into your blog platforms such as WordPress, Medium, etc. Format is needed, headings, images, and then links. And then after that, you can now post this one. So basically that's it. You just need blog title idea, audience, tone of voice, and add more prompts. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.